Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Large Language Models. LLMs. AI that understands and writes like us. Imagine an AI that doesn't just process commands, but truly understands what you say and writes back like a human. That's a large language model, or LLM. Think of it as a super smart digital assistant that can read, write, summarize, and even translate any text you give it. For a developer, this means you can build applications that interact with users using natural language, automate content creation, or analyze vast amounts of text with ease, all through simple API calls. Computers are great with numbers and strict rules, like code, but human language is messy. Words have multiple meanings. Context is everything, and sarcasm can throw off a traditional program. Before LLMs, making a computer understand "I'm feeling blue, sad, not a color" was incredibly hard, requiring complex, handwritten rules for every scenario. LLMs are special because they learn to navigate this human complexity, bridging the gap between computer logic and natural speech. The large in LLM refers to two massive things. First, the enormous amount of data they learn from, not just a few books, but billions of words from the internet, like virtually every public article, website, and book. Imagine reading all the libraries in the world. Second, it refers to their brain size, measured in billions of parameters. These are the internal connections and knowledge points the AI uses. More data and a larger brain allow LLMs to understand nuance and generate incredibly coherent, human-like text. LLMs don't get programmed with rules. They learn from examples, much like a child learning to speak by listening and reading. During training, an LLM is given countless incomplete sentences and tries to predict the next word. If it's wrong, it adjusts its internal connections. This continuous process of prediction and correction across massive datasets is how it develops its incredible ability to generate contextually relevant and grammatically correct sentences, seemingly understanding the world it reads about. At the core of modern LLMs is a revolutionary design called the transformer architecture. Don't worry about the complex details. Just know it's a special kind of AI structure that excels at understanding how different parts of a sentence or paragraph relate to each other, even if they're far apart. Think of it like an AI with a super-powered short-term memory that can instantly connect "he" in one sentence to "John" mentioned 3 sentences ago. This is what allows LLMs to maintain context and generate coherent long-form text. As a developer, LLMs open up a world of possibilities. You can integrate them into your apps to generate text, automatically write product descriptions, email drafts, or even code snippets, summarize information, condense lengthy articles or meeting notes into key points, create chatbots, build intelligent conversational agents for customer support or interactive experiences, translate languages, seamlessly convert text between different human languages, assist with code, get help writing, debugging, or explaining code. You interact with LLMs through simple API calls, sending text in and getting text back, making them incredibly versatile tools. The best part? You don't need to be an AI expert to start using LLMs. Most powerful LLMs, like those from OpenAI or Google, are available as services through APIs. Your main task as a developer will be prompt engineering, learning how to phrase your questions or instructions, your prompts, to the LLM effectively to get the desired output. Start with simple text generation tasks. Experiment with different prompts. and discover how this powerful AI can transform your applications and workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.